Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on Experian. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in experian.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Experian website. Now in order to sign up and create a new account, click on the sign up button right at the home page. You will then be taken into the sign up page. First of all, type in the last 4 digits of your social security number and then enter your phone number. After entering your phone number, tap on the Get Started button and you will be asked to enter the verification code that has just been sent to your phone. After entering the verification code by checking your SMS, click on the Next button and you will be allowed to set up your password for your Experian account. Type in your desired password and then click on the Continue button and you will be asked to fill up various details including your entire address and various other personal details. You may also be asked to provide some government-issued identification for verification for your account. After you provide all of the required documents and verification, your account will be processed and you will be signed up right away. And once your account has been set up, you can continue to your account by using your credentials from the sign-in page. Just enter the username or the email address that you have set up and then enter the password for your account. You can then click on the sign in button to access your account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on Experian. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.